Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 automatic sleep problem. Chapter 1. How to fix Windows 11 automatic sleep problem adjusting the power plan. We are going to enter Power Plan in the search box. Open Edit Power Plan. Here in the options, turn off the display and put the computer to sleep. You are going to set the value Never. After this, click on the line Change Advanced Power Settings. There, we are going to go to the line Sleep and then Sleep After. In Settings, leave the value Never. Click on Apply and OK. You can close the windows. Chapter 2. How to fix Windows 11 automatic sleep problem from console. For this method, we will open the command prompt console as administrators. Click on Yes to access. There, run the command power CFG bar last wake, press Enter. Chapter 3. How to fix Windows 11 automatic sleep problem from 𝗔𝗟𝗟. In the search box, enter 𝗔𝗟𝗟. Open the System Registry Editor. Click on Yes to authorize. Go to the path shown on the screen. Here, double-click on the value called Power Down after shutdown. In the Value Data field, leave the number 1. Apply the changes. Chapter 4. How to fix Windows 11 automatic sleep problem disabling system maintenance. Open the control panel. There, go to System and Security and then click on the line Security and Maintenance. Click on the option Change Security and Maintenance Settings. You can enable or disable the desired options. Back to Security and Maintenance, display the Maintenance option and click on Change Maintenance Settings. Here, uncheck the box Allow scheduled maintenance to wake up my computer at the scheduled time. Click on OK, close the window. Chapter 5. How to fix Windows 11 automatic sleep problem disabling automatic restart. Enter Advanced in the search box. Open View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings located on the section Startup and Recovery. There you will leave the box Automatically Restart unchecked. Apply this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.